Hey, what's up guys? Jeremy here. Welcome back to my channel. Now about 3 weeks ago, I made a video about how to get your first 100 subscribers fast. When I first decided to make this channel, I just wanted to be, really gung-ho, strictly real estate. But as I began building this channel, I started to look for YouTube videos about how to actually grow your YouTube channel. I found many tips and tricks that kind of worked and also many, stuff that didn't work as well. And when you're a real estate agent, eventually you become a person that naturally just wants to help people. So I figured, while I'm building this YouTube channel, why don't I document my growth and give my tips and tricks about how to grow a YouTube channel while I'm, growing this one. So at the time of recording that video, I had about, I think, 259 subscribers. And today, as of July 9th, 2020, I have exactly 450 subscribers. Wow, look at that. I grew by a lot in just, a couple weeks. So now that I'm getting momentum, I figured, why not make another video? So today's video is gonna be 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make. So don't make these mistakes because I made these mistakes and you don't wanna do that. So here we go. So mistake number 1 is using copyrighted music. And wait, oh shoot, I forgot to ask. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for the YouTube algorithm because it helps this YouTube channel grow and you'd be helping me help you because this video is about growing your YouTube channel. So please do that and I'd really appreciate it a lot. Thank you. So anyway, yes, you cannot use copyrighted music to use as background music for your video or maybe to bring dramatic effect to your video. YouTube does not like that. You will be violating YouTube's rules about using copyrighted music and your video will not be allowed to get monetized, and if it's not monetized then that kind of defeats the whole purpose of building a YouTube channel. So you want to stay away from copyrighted music. I did this for my first video or some of my videos, and I kind of got scared because YouTube gave me a warning and says hey, you're using copyrighted music, and I got scared. So I was like, what am I gonna do? Some of these videos were doing great, they have thousands of views. And when that happens, you start to freak out because even though I'm not monetized yet, that when I do get monetized, I want to be able to get income from the ad revenue from these videos. But if you do, don't worry, don't delete the video. All you have to do is just go in the YouTube studio, mess with the settings, and the worst that can happen is that you just have to mute the sections of your video that uses copyrighted music. A solution to this is literally all you have to do is, and this is why I love YouTube because you can do anything on YouTube, is go on YouTube and search non-copyrighted music or royalty-free music and you'll find some. And whatever vibe you're trying to go for, you can just search for it. You could search for non-copyrighted upbeat background music and you'll probably find it. That's how I found songs like this and this. Or if you have friends that are in the music business that are producers, they could, sample music or make their own music and you could use that in your videos as well. That's how I got this song. All right, so before we start mistake number 2, a minor mistake that you need to keep in mind when you're recording your videos is make sure your mic is on. I just recorded this whole video with the mic off. So this is the second take. So don't do that. All right, so mistake number 2 is not creating thoughtful thumbnails. So your thumbnail is pretty damn important and you need to make this grab attention like no other. It's because it's the first thing that people see when your video comes up. Don't be too clickbaity, but be a little clickbaity. Your thumbnail plays a key role into making people want to click on your video. So if you're making a video about real estate and your thumbnail is a foot or a door or some random picture, chances are that I'm not going to want to click on that video. So make your thumbnail give context to the video, have big words and nice fonts and contrasting colors, stuff that will grab people's attention. So here is an evolution of all the thumbnails I made. As you can see over time, I'm getting better at it. And if you're not good at this, maybe have a friend make it for you or hire a graphic designer. As you can see, my thumbnails have gotten better over time. And right now, I'm having one of my friends who's a graphic designer make my thumbnails because they're just really nice. It's very convenient and easy to do. And whenever I have an idea, I just shoot him the idea and he makes the thumbnail like these. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so mistake number 3 is lighting and audio, or in other words, not using great equipment to, have great lighting and audio. So I'll probably make another video describing all the equipment I use to make YouTube videos, but to see what I use now, you can just go to the bottom of the description. I put the links to everything I use in all my videos. But yes, lighting and audio are very important things when it comes to making good YouTube videos. One, lighting allows you to, see yourself clearly. If people can't see you and, everything's dark or it's just, distracting, people aren't gonna want to watch your videos. So here's an example of me recording without using my studio light. And as you can see, it's very dark and it's, not really attracting on the eyes, and you just don't really want to watch the rest of this video, right? So if you were to watch the rest of the video while it's dark, it would just be, downright annoying. The same goes for audio. I mentioned in the first YouTube growth video that I made that audio is something that a lot of people overlook when it comes to, keeping in mind of what goes into making a good YouTube video. But when you have great audio and people can hear you clearly, especially if you're a vlog or, some kind of educational YouTube channel, when they can hear you, then it makes all the difference in the world. But if you have equipment that's just, you can't hear it like that, that's just annoying as well. So make sure you have good, clear audio or, equipment that gives you clear audio. So again, make sure you have good lighting. The light I use will be in a link in the description below, and also have good audio equipment, and this mic will be in the description below as well. All right, so mistake number 4 is not utilizing tags. Tags are words or phrases that gives the YouTube algorithm context about what your YouTube video is about. Ranking means when you search up a word or a phrase on YouTube, your video will be one of the first results that pop up. That is pretty much your ultimate goal whenever you make a YouTube video. You want to be the first video that pops up in the results when someone searches a term or a phrase. It's by utilizing tags the right way and using it very efficiently is how whenever you YouTube search Hawaii real estate, I'm one of the first results that pop up. All right, let's see how I do. Okay, so we're gonna YouTube search Hawaii real estate, see what comes up. Boom, I'm the first one. All right, so there's one, oh, there's 2, 3, let's see, 4, 5. See, so this is what your goal is when it comes to tagging, or using your tags. You wanna be able to rank in a search that comes up. So when someone search, oh, look, 6, so I have 6 videos. So all these videos have thousands of views, and it's because I use tags correctly so that when you search up a term, my videos rank. So that's why tags are very important. So how do you know which tags to use? Here's a secret, and it's called TubeBuddy. I learned about TubeBuddy from another YouTube who does videos about YouTube growth, and ever since I've been using it, it's been helping me with my YouTube videos, as you can see. TubeBuddy is basically a browser extension that when you log onto YouTube, you can see different analytics, and my favorite part of it is when you're uploading a video, it tells you which words to use for your tag. I definitely recommend this if you're trying to kickstart your YouTube channel, and if you have under 1,000 subscribers, then it's only $5 a month, and it's very cheap. Like, it's only $5. I definitely recommend it. It's so worth it. And if you want to buy a subscription, you can use my link in the description below. Again, it's only $5, so worth it. And the 5th mistake is not paying attention to your analytics. So as a new YouTuber, you want to think of it like starting a new skill or starting a new business. You're going to be doing some things wrong and you're going to be making mistakes. In order to understand what you're doing wrong, you need to take a step back and kind of analyze everything that you're doing. You need to analyze the results you're getting and analyze what you're doing to get those results. And that's where analytics comes in. So let's look at my analytics. All right, cool. So we're in my YouTube studio right now for the analytics, and you can see like how your videos are doing, how your channel is doing. If you go to channel analytics, you want to pay attention to how your growth is going over a couple days. You can look in the past 28 days, 90 days, past year. And what I like is you can see how your videos are doing. So in this video, or in these analytics, you can see that my house tours are the videos that are doing the best. When you look at the other videos, like the educational videos, they're not really doing so well, which honestly kind of pisses me off because I put a lot of good information and a lot of value in those videos. So like, go watch them. Like, come on guys, really? So what that tells me based on these analytics is that I should be making more YouTube videos that are similar to the house tours. But I will continue to do videos about, educational real estate stuff because like I like making those videos and I have fun making those videos as well. I like educating people and talking about real estate. And that's what YouTube is really all about. That's the ultimate goal, is to, make videos that you enjoy making while at the same time making money from it. So that's basically how analytics works. It gives you data to understand how your YouTube channel is doing. And therefore, you can use that data to make the needed adjustments to make your YouTube channel grow and sustain that growth. Because you don't want to be uploading video after video without understanding your performance. If you're doing the wrong thing, then you're just going to be doing the wrong thing over and over again. So there you have, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. As a small YouTube channel right now, it's really hard to make these videos because, well, I'm still a small YouTube channel, I'm still learning, and I'm still growing. But I will do my best to record and document the whole process as I, go along with it. You'll be able to see the beginning, which is now, and later down the road, maybe I'll post a video about like my first YouTube check, or in the future, I'll be posting videos about, how much I make on average from YouTube. It's a process, and honestly, anyone can do it. So if you haven't yet, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow, and when my channel grows, I'll be able to post more videos like this to help you guys grow. And if you guys like Hawaii real estate or anything about real estate in general, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.